So welcome back everyone, Triple M here. If you're in the market for a streaming device, a Firestick, Nvidia Shield, or a Fire TV Cube, right now is a good time to get one, guys. Most of these are on sale right now, and also the new Nvidia Shield remote is available, was available. Let's go ahead and jump into the details. Alright, of course, if you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button in the top right, hit the notification bell. If you guys have any questions, comments, drop them in the comment section below, and always hit the thumbs up, guys. Best way to support this channel. So first things first, the 2019 Shield came out with two versions, guys. They had the Shield TV and the Shield TV Pro. Now I believe at launch the Shield TV was $179. I'll double check that, but I believe it was $179. And in my initial review, I said this is priced way too high. It should be in the $100 to $120 range. So either Nvidia is listening or they just haven't had that splash that they've been looking for. But it's on sale right now, guys. On Amazon, it's $129, and that's about where it should be priced. It's still a powerful device. It's missing a couple key features, including a USB connection. But with the remote and the performance of the device, I do feel $129 is a sweet price. So now's a good time. If you're in the market for a Shield, $129 is a good price point in my opinion. Now the Shield Pro is still $199. It is probably the best streaming device out there, so that price is probably going to stay the same. But the Nvidia Shield TV, the 2019 Shield, is now really competitive. So right after I did the review on the 2019 Shield, I did a second video dedicated to the remote. Now the remote, in my opinion, was the biggest upgrade of the 2019 Shield, and the remote is available for sale, but it kind of ran out. So it's not available on Amazon as of yet. But if you go over to the Nvidia Shield website, scroll down a little bit, you can see the remote is priced at $29.99, and that's a shocker to me. I just thought for some reason it would be around the $50 price range. So that's a good price, and as you can see, as soon as they released it, it's sold out almost immediately. So they do have an option to notify when it's back in stock, so I'll keep an eye on that for you guys. So $29.99 is a good price for this remote in my opinion. A lot of cool functions on it. Biggest upgrade is the fact that it uses standard AAA batteries versus the watch or the flat battery that you have to recharge, or a lot of people having issues with that. So big shout out to Nvidia for listening. Love the price on this one. Unfortunately, it's still not available. It did sell out. A couple other devices from Amazon that are still on sale that's worth picking up in my opinion. So the Fire TV Cube, love it or hate it, I actually like it. A lot of people don't like it because of the price, because of the functions, whatever, the looks. But I think it's a solid device, guys. So it does have the voice activation features, so you can use it directly to turn on your device. You don't necessarily need a remote for it, and it combines the best of both worlds, your Amazon Echo and your Amazon Fire Stick in one device. And you can use it to do a lot, not just stream it, also home automation. So when this was first released, I reviewed it. A lot of people bashed it. Personally, I like this device, and I think it's worth picking up if you're looking for a device that has the home automation, but it's also a stylish streaming device. So that right now, normal price is $120. It is on sale for $99. Now the Fire Stick 4K is probably the most popular streaming device out there, guys. Some of the best features, of course, is the price. It is 4K, of course, but it does have a better processor than the older devices, and originally priced at $49.99. When the price drops on this, pick up a couple of them because you won't be disappointed. So Fire Stick's on sale. The Fire Stick 4K, this is the newest one. They also have the Fire Stick. This is the second generation, I believe. Normally at $39.99, it is now $24.99. So both these are great buys in my opinion. And further down, they also had the Fire TV Recast. Now this I haven't reviewed as of yet. So this gives you the function to add an over-the-air antenna to your Fire TV stick or your Fire device, and works pretty well, I heard. Let me know if you guys want to pick it up, do a full review on it. But at that price point, I just feel like it was overkill. You can see the original price is $229, and it did drop down quite a bit. They almost cut in half to $144. So drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know if you guys want me to go ahead and do a review on the Fire TV Recast. So that's it for this video. Most of these devices can be found in my Amazon storefront. I'll put a link in the description, guys. When you head over to my storefront, if you go to the streaming devices, click on it, then you can see some of the streaming device, and I'll add the rest a little bit later. Another way to find my storefront, if you go to my YouTube page, under You've Got Options, there's an Amazon icon right there. If you click on that, That should also take you directly to my storefront where you can check out some of the cool devices. I have a couple different categories: streaming devices, networking devices. I did a custom build where I have a lot of computer parts and accessories, home automation, vacuum cleaners. I have car accessories. I also have some camera stuff, gaming, RC drones, Bluetooth speakers, and headphones and sound bars and stuff like that. So head over to the store, guys. Really help the channel if you guys are picking one of these up anyway. It doesn't cost you anything, but it does help the channel. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions about anything, drop it in the comment section below. Also, check out my Nvidia Shield playlist, guys. I do have a lot of cool videos on there, tips and tricks, installation guides, as well as some hidden features that you may not be aware of. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Smash a thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next one.